Hello everyone, this is Ferhan from ferhanreviews.com, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing Warlord Secret. Now, not only is it a great name, I do like the product name, but I've been through the training. It's actually a really genuinely good training, and it's a system that is not, I'll never say guaranteed, but if you follow the system properly, you are very certain to make some money using these methods in the training. And this is all about answering questions on Quora and finding the right questions to answer with the right traffic and the right keywords. Also, how to put your links in there and how to make sure your posts stay active on Quora. Now, this is the sales page. It's not complete yet at the time of recording, but it is genuinely 100% beginner friendly. You get buy traffic to any link, so you can send the traffic to your videos, to your blog, to your affiliate products. You don't need a website, you don't need an email list, you don't need any fancy funnels. You really don't need to spend any money using this method apart from the initial front-end course, of course. You don't really need to learn too much. I've never used Quora much in the past. I went through the training, I had my account set up and I was answering questions within, I think, about the first 20 minutes. You can go through the sales page, it's quite long, it's a lot to read. But I'll jump straight into the members area and show you around the training. Okay, so the standard welcome videos. These are the two people behind the promotion of this product, Phil and Dan. And then you've got Will Weatherly and Robin Palmer. So Robin has created the software that you can use in addition to this, and Will has done all of the training, which is really good. So you get you get a case study, which is what I love. I love case studies. I like watching the training in action in a real scenario. And with this course, you get a overview and a full case study. The main training covers identifying the buyer questions, navigating your search, ninja keywords, additional keyword hacks, content generation, staying safe for keeping your posts and links active on Quora, monetization, and 3 extra traffic. And the final section of the front end is the software that's included. So it's a downloadable file. Excuse me. So what I've done, I've actually made some bonuses especially for this product. So I've been through the training, identified gaps on what we can use to expand on this. Let me just find my bonus page, 1 second. So I've just recorded a couple of videos for you. So the first one is some extra methods for Quora keyword research that weren't covered in this training, so you'll only get these for my bonuses. The second bonus is a unique content generation for Quora. So this method will teach you how to make completely unique content very fast. And the third bonus is how to repurpose existing content very fast for Quora answers. And all of these bonuses are only available via the link below, and there's some additional bonuses from the vendors themselves. Let me talk about the OTOs. There are a few of them, and a couple of them are worth it. The front end of this product, is $12.97. The OTO1 is the Pro version, which is $27 with a downsell of $17, and that will be some information about how Philip used some hashtags. How Phil uses a system to 10x his traffic with hashtags. OTO2 is a done for you, which I think is worth it. It's $37 with a downsell of $27, and Will has done a lot of work and will give you a lot of resources. So you get hundreds of resources, including Quora templates, hundreds of keywords, software, emails, and done for you reviews and funnels. So this will give you a jump start on everyone else if you purchase this upsell 2. OTO3 is unlimited traffic, so you can put a pixel onto Phil and Dan's sales pages, so you get extra traffic. OTO4 is the all-in-one solution for traffic mastery. OTO5 is the standard resell rights. So this is an amazing system. It's launching on the 14th of September at 10 AM Eastern, which is, I should know by now, 10 a.m. Eastern to UK, which is 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. on the 14th of September, and the promo launch is lasting until the 17th of September. So this is a really good course, especially if you don't want to bother making a list and building a website and building up a brand and doing all that work. It's basically a shortcut to earning affiliate commissions, and the training is pretty comprehensive and will go through all of the process in detail. It's very easy to follow and it's highly recommended. And for $12.95, I don't think you'll get better Quora training than this. And plus, with my bonuses, I'll teach you the extra methods for Quora keyword research. I'll show you how to write content, unique content, very fast, and also how to repurpose existing content and use that for your Quora answers. So hope you found this useful. The link to buy is below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hello, I'm back again. I got to the end of the recording. I completely forgot to mention the software section. So the software is this here. It's the Quora auto poster. It's available in the last module. Oops, let me just get to it. The last module here, automation software. And what this basically does is you can automate the posting of content to Quora to answer questions. And this software is included with this training. I believe there's a free trial, or maybe it's a low paid plan to actually use the software in conjunction with a writing tool. But to be honest, just the training itself is more than enough to get you started, and the software you can use at a later date to really boost your question answering on Quora. But yeah, I just thought I'd mention it because I forgot to mention it in the main review. Thanks for watching. Bye.